Yeah, a very good evening to one and all. Hope you guys are able to hear me clearly. Can you guys please confirm over the chat whether you guys are able to hear me or not? Yes, fine. Yes. So what we had covered, sir, in the last session, So we just completed with what? How many types of joins as part of our last session? So we completed the 3 types of joins, sir. What are those? We just completed with what? The 3 types of joins. What are those, guys? Can anyone tell me? Inner join, inner join, inner join, and the left join, and then right join. Right, sir. These are the joins which we had completed, sir. Which we had completed on these are the 3 joins, sir. What is the other name for the inner join, sir? What is the other name for the inner join? Inner join are also called as what join, sir? Inner join are also called as what? Equijoin, sir. Inner join are also called as an what? Equijoin. Understand? So what is the main functionality of inner join, sir? What is the main functionality of inner join? When you are joining the 2 tables with the help of the join keyword or inner join keyword, then what it will be happening, sir? Only the matched records. Okay. It will fetch only the matched records. Only what? The matched records from both tables. Okay. That is what like as in the inner join, sir. Okay. So what is the importance of what is the other name for the left join, sir? What is the other name for the left join? What is the other name for the left join, sir? What is the other name for the left join? Yes, correct. What is the other name for the left join, sir? Left join are also called as what? Left outer join, sir. Okay, both are one and the same, sir. So what is the main functionality of the left outer join or the left join, sir? When you are joining the 2 tables using the left join word or the left outer join word, then what it will happen, sir? It will fetch all the records. It will fetch what? It will fetch what, sir? The matched records. It will fetch what? Nothing but on what? The matched records plus additional records from the left table, right or not? Which are not matched with the join condition, right, sir? Right or not? Come on, guys. When you guys are working with the left join or the left outer join, it always fetched with what, sir? Matched records plus additional records from the left table, which are not matched with the join condition or not. Come on, guys. Agree, everyone? Everyone is clear with this point or not? Left join are also called as an what? Left outer join. The main functionality of this join is what? It will fetch only the matched records. Along with that, additional records from the left table, which are not matched with the join condition. Agree or not, guys, everyone? Agree or not, everyone? Is that the same? Is that the functionality of the left outer join or not? Hope you are understanding. Hope you are able to hear me. Come on, guys. What is the functionality of the left outer join, sir? It will be the fetching what the matched records plus additional records from the left table, which are not matched with the join condition or not, sir? Correct or not? Okay. Coming to the right join, sir. Okay. Yes. Coming to the right join, I will show you, sir, Yogesh. I will show you just a minute. Okay. So right join are also called as an what, sir? Right join are also called as an what? Right outer join. And so what is the main functionality of this join, sir? It will fetch the matched records plus. So it will fetch like as in the matched records and the additional records from the right table. Okay, right table. So which are not matched, with the join condition, sir. Right? Which are not matched with the join condition. Correct or not, sir? Yes. So if you see here in the last session, so we performed these three types of joins on the two tables. If you remember correctly, we just performed the joins on the two tables, sir. Okay. So what are the two tables we had selected, sir? What are the two tables we had selected to perform these three types of joins? To perform these three types of joins, what are the two tables we have picked, sir? Select a star from Ashok IT _ employee table, right or not? This is what the table we have selected, sir. And then select a star from Ashok IT _ department table, sir. Understand? So total how many departments are there? 7 departments are there. Total how many employees are there? 10 employees are there. 9 employees are there, sorry. 9 employees are there. So tell me, sir, how many employees are correctly mapped with the departments? How many employees are mapped correctly with the departments? 7 employees, sir. Total number of records in the table is nothing but 9 records, sir. And the total number of records in the department is what? 7 departments. And then tell me, sir, total number of employees matched with the correct department. How many employees? Tell me, sir. Total how many employees are mapped with the correct departments, sir? 7 employees, sir. 7 employees. Remember correctly, sir. 7 employees. 7 employees are mapped to the correct departments, sir. Okay. Correct department. Okay. That is what you need to remember, sir. Okay. So see, sir, I'm just giving you this inner join condition. Can you guys tell me how to write like as in the inner join, sir? Select a star from Ashok IT _ EMP AE join. Okay, Ashok IT _ department AD on condition. Okay, AE dot department ID is equal to what? AD dot department ID, sir. Where AE dot employee ID, sir. Nothing more than that. Okay, where AE dot employee ID. That's all. Where no. Order by AE dot EMP _ ID, sir. That's all. Okay. Some of the columns I'm going to select, sir. AE dot employee _ ID, AE dot employee _ name, AD dot department name, sir. Okay. That's all, sir. This is what the columns which I have selected, and this is what the join we have done. Correct or not? This is what the inner join or not, guys? So see, sir, only the matched rows of information of the both tables we are getting or not. Sir, how can you know that one? How can you know that one whether it is a matched rows or not? So simply what you need to do is AE dot department ID and AD dot department ID. Just select it, sir. See, sir, both departments, employee table department ID and department table department ID, both are matching or not, sir? For all the employees. Come on, guys. Try to respond, sir. Everyone, I'm expecting the response from you guys. Please make active in the session. Please, everyone active in the session, sir. So both of the department ID columns are matching or not? So that's why we are getting only the matched records, sir. Only the matched records. Only the matched records from the both of the tables. Understand? We just added the join. We just joined like as in the two tables using what join keyword, which is nothing but an what inner join. So whenever the join condition is matches, then particular record from the both tables will be the getting. If any one of the join condition becomes fail, then that particular record will not be getting the result. Understand? That's what we have discussed, sir. Okay. Can I use inner join as well instead of join? Can I use like as in the join in place of inner join or not? Can I place a join in place of inner join or not, sir? Everyone? Yes, we can, sir. So if you use like as in the join or the inner join, both are functionalities, both will works for one and same. No change at all. So both will works the same, sir. Either you can use word called join or else you can use the word called what? Inner join, sir. Hope you are clear, everyone. Everyone, is it clear, sir? With respect to the inner join, Yogesh, you asked me that you asked me to show all these the joins, right? So is that clear? Yes. Okay. The same query I'm going to work with what? Inner join, sir. Same query I'm going to work with what? Left join, sir. Okay, left join. So same query, sir. No change at all. No change at all. Just to use for what? Left join, sir. Instead of inner join, just you need to use what? Left join. So left join means first it will get to the results of what? First it will get the results of what? Inner join results. Okay, inner join results plus additional records. Additional records from left table. Correct or not, sir? Correct or not? That's what we are going to get. So could you please help me? What is the left table of this join, sir? Could you please help me? What is the left table of this join? Could you please help me? What would be the left table of this join table, sir? Jayshree, how come it is department, sir? I'm asking you, right? I'm asking you what would be the left table for this join? Jayshree, please correct it. It is not a department. It's like a EMP. Okay. So this is what the left join. This is what like as in the left join, sir. For this left join, the left table will be what? Ashokite underscore EMP, sir. And Ashokite underscore DPT will be what? Right table, sir. Okay. Yes. So how many records are there? What is the result of this query, sir? What is the result of this query? 9 records or 10 records or 8 records? 7 records. 9 records. Just check it out. Just check it out, sir. Just check it out. So first we are getting inner join results or not? Help me, sir. So tell me, sir, first 7 records are nothing but an inner join results or not? Yes. So last 2 records, if you closely observe the last 2 records, so the last 2 records, the left table data is getting, and right side table is nothing but an what? Department name is a right side table column or not, sir? Department name is nothing but an right side column or not? So we are getting what? Null value or not, sir? So means left side table data we are getting, and right side, if you are selecting any columns from the right table, so it will be the getting as an what? A null value, sir. And the department ID, see, sir. So tell me, join condition becomes true or false? Join condition is satisfying or not satisfying, sir? Tell me, sir, join condition is satisfying or not satisfying? If you see the above records, inner join condition is satisfying, but in this case, it's not satisfying, right? D11 equal to null. How come it is satisfying, sir? Sudha, Yogesh, Roshini. How come it is satisfying, sir? Last 2 records, Ramesh. Observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully the results. So first 7 records are inner join results. That should be the fine. For the inner join results means definitely the both columns will be join condition becomes true. And for if you observe carefully the last 2 records, the join condition columns, becomes true or false? Satisfying or not satisfying? Come on, sir. Join condition is satisfying or not satisfying, sir? It is not satisfying, but we are getting the records from the left table or not? Come on, guys. When you guys working with the left join, sir, left table is an very important. Okay, left table is an very important, sir. All the records will be the getting from the left table. When you are working with the left join, okay, left table data is an important for us. That's why you are getting what 9 employees information in the result. In the if the left table contains 200 records, then the result will comes as an what 200 rows. If the left table contains 500 rows of information, means what would be the result of our query when you are doing the left join? 500 rows or not? Yes, that's what they keep in mind, sir. When you are working with the left join, sir, the left hand side table data should be an important for us. All the how many rows are there in the left table, those many of the rows will be comes as an what output, sir. If you are selecting any columns on the right hand side table, then join condition, which are whatever the join condition failed, so for those columns we are going to get what null values. Whatever the join condition becomes true, for that right hand side table column values will be the fetching. Whatever the join condition becomes false, those columns of the right hand table column will getting as an what null or not. Hope you guys are comfortable with the left outer join or left join. So can I use in place of the left join into the left outer join or not? Can I use left join into the left outer join or not, sir, in place of that? Yes, we can, sir. Both are one and the same, sir. As I already told you, left join or the left outer join, both we can use it, sir. Is that use? Yogesh, I could not understand, sir. Is that usable? See, left join or the left outer join. So left join or the left outer join, both are one and the same. When you want to join the two tables using the left join, either you can go with what left join or what left join or what left outer join. It's up to your wish. Understand? So functional wise, both are one and same. Clear? Okay. So when it comes for the right join, sir, when it comes for the right join, the same query. When it comes for the right join, sir, tell me, inner join results plus additional records from what table, sir? Right table or not? Tell me, sir, when you are working with the right join, sir, tell me inner join results plus additional records from right table. Right table, right or not, sir? Is that formula, is that equation is correct or not, guys? Everyone, please confirm. When you are working with the right join, inner join results plus inner join records plus or inner join results plus additional records from the right table, right? So in place of the left outer join, sir, simply you can go with what? Right join or right outer join, sir. Right join or right outer join, both are one and the same, sir. So now tell me how many. So when you are working with the right join or the right outer join, which table is important, sir? Left hand table is important or right hand side table is important? Come on, sir. Right hand side table is important, sir. What is the right hand side table of this join condition? What is the right hand table? What is the right hand table of this the join statement? Department, sir. So how many records are there in the department? How many records are there? Vikram, how come it is how come it is employee table, sir? Vikram, concentrate here. As I'm asking you, I'm highlighting the statement. As I'm highlighting the statement, tell me the what is the right hand table for this join statement? How come it is employee table, Vikram? Please concentrate here, sir. Okay, yeah, fine. Come back to our discussion, sir. Sir, when you're answering, just think of a minute, sir. When you're answering, think of a minute. Okay. Yeah. How many records when you're working with the right join, sir? Right hand side table data is important for us. How many records are there in the department, sir? 7 records are there, sir. 7 records are there, right? 7 records are there. So what is the output of our query? What is the output of our query, sir? 7 records or 9 records? 7 records or 9 records? Okay, yeah, just check it out. So see, sir, observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. So I just performed what right join, sir. And when I performed what right join, so first 7 records are nothing but on what inner join records are not. Tell me, sir. First 7 records are inner join results or not. That's why the join column becomes true, sir. Right or not? The join column of the two tables has becomes matching or not, sir? 7 records. So if you guys observe carefully, sir, these are the two records. These are the two records which you are getting from where? These are two records which you are getting from where? These are the records which you are getting from where, sir? Department table. So do we have any employees? Do we have any employees for these departments? Can you guys please confirm? Do we have any employees for these departments? No, we do not have any kind of the departments, sir. We do not have any. So we do not have any employees for these departments. That's why the left hand side table data becomes as an what a null, and the right hand side data table we are getting here. And what is the join? What about the join column condition, sir? Is matching or not matching? Even though the join condition is not matching, are we missing any data from the right hand side table, sir? Are we missing any kind of the data from the right hand table? No. So that is what the importance of right outer join or right join, sir. You can use like as in what right join in place of what right outer join, sir. Yes. Okay. Yes. So see, how can you identify the left hand and the right hand table, sir? So see, when you are working with the right join, sir, so the right hand table will be what? This one, sir. Okay, when you are working with the left outer join or the left join, the left hand table will be what? This one. Okay. Clear, sir? Hope you are clear. Sir, when you are writing like as in the join statement, Roshni, when you are writing like as in the join statement, okay, when you are writing like as in the join statement with the left hand side or the right hand side, okay, left hand side or the right hand side. So left hand always will be what? This one only, sir. Ashok IT underscore employee, and Ashok IT underscore department will always be going to be in what? Right hand side. Okay. Yeah, that's all, sir. This is what the things we need to remember, sir. When you are working with the inner join, left join, and the right join, sir. This is what the things which we have discussed in the last session. So now we are moving on to what? Now we are moving on to the what, sir? Full join, sir. Full join. So what do you mean by full join, sir? Full join is nothing but an what? Inner join results. Okay, inner join results plus what? So observe carefully, sir. That's what I clearly mentioned, sir. Okay. Okay. So as part of our today's session, sir, we are going to be the cover what some more the joins, sir. Some more joins such as what full join, a full join, cross join, and the natural join, sir. Okay. So we are going to perform all the we are going to perform what? We are going to perform what, sir? We are going to perform these joins also as well on this the same tables, sir. Ashok IT underscore employee table and Ashok IT underscore department table, sir. Okay. Yes. So coming to the next join, sir. So full join, sir. Full join is also called as an what? Full join is also called as an what? Full outer join, sir. So as we are already know that one, left join is also called as an what? Left outer join, right? So in case of right join also called as an what? Right outer join. So in case of the same rule is applicable for the full join as well, sir. Full join or full outer join, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. This is what like as in the two tables, sir. This is what like as in the two tables which we are going to take, Sudha. Understand? So whatever the two tables we had performed like inner join and the right join and the left join, for the same table only we are going to perform what? These three types of joins as well. Full join and the cross join and the natural join also as well. Understand? That is what your doubt, right, Sudha? Am I answered your question? Yes. Okay then. So that's what, sir. The full join are also called as an what? Full outer join, sir. When you are working with this full outer join or the full join or the full join or the full outer join, so consider the below formula, sir. So what is that the formula? So see, sir, inner join results plus. Okay. So when you are working, when you are joining the two tables with the help of the full join or the full outer join, sir, first you will be the getting what? Inner join results, sir. First at any type of join, sir. Okay. Whether you are working with inner join or left join or the right join or the full join, first obviously you are going to get the results of what? Inner join results. First you will get what? Inner join results, sir. And then followed with what? First it will get like as an inner join results, and then followed with what? Additional records from the left table. Okay, additional records from the left table. If any columns are selected from the right hand table, means then those columns will becomes as an what? Null, sir. Okay, additional records from the left table plus what? Additional records from the right table as well, sir. Additional records from the right table as well, and the returns like as in the null value for any columns are fetched from what? Left table, sir. Okay, the full join, sir. Full join means inner join results plus left join results plus right join results, sir. Understand, sir? Simply I can say that full join means nothing but an what? Inner join results plus full left join results plus right join results. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. Hope you guys are comfortable or not, sir, everyone, with respect to the full join or full outer join. So when you guys are joining with the full join, when you are joining the two tables by using full join or the full outer join, we are always going to fetch the records of what? Inner join results plus left join results plus right join results. That's all. Understand? Everyone understand or not? So if you guys take a same example, so nothing but on what? Additional records. Additional records from left table plus additional records from right table, sir. Okay, that's all. This is what the things are. Okay, same select query, sir. Same query. I'm going to join these two tables with the help of what? Full join. So when you are joining the two tables with the help of and the full join, with the help of what? The full join, sir. Observe carefully the results, sir. Sir, you need to concentrate the results. See, sir. First tell me, are we getting like inner join results or not? Everyone pay attention here, sir. Everyone please concentrate here for a minute. So first we are getting what? 7 records which are matched with what? Inner join results or not, sir? First 7 records are inner join results or not? Results we are getting or not? Yes. Okay. Then observe carefully, sir. So can you please tell me? So can you please tell me 8th record and the 9th record getting from a left join or the right join, sir? You need to tell me, sir. You need to tell me, sir. So 8th table and the 8th table and the 8th record and the 9th record, are we getting the data from the left table or right table, sir? So how come it is right table, sir? Observe carefully the data which is populating from the left table. If you observe carefully the 8th record and the 9th record, the data which is populating for the rows for what? Which table, sir? Left table or not? Okay. So for the right hand column, for the right table columns, we are showing as a null or not, sir? Yes. Okay. 8th and 9th records, 8th and 9th records which are populating from the left table, sir. Okay. And then, so what about the 10th and 11th, sir? What about the 10th and 11th? Is that data is getting from where? Right table or not? Yes. If you closely observe here, so left hand side table columns we are getting as in the null. This is what like as in the, this is what an identification, sir. This is what like as an identification. Whatever the left hand side columns we are getting like as in the null means left hand side data is missing, right hand side data is getting. That is called right join records. Okay, and these are nothing but in the join columns. So if you see here right join condition and the left join, if you see here right join condition and the left join condition becomes a satisfying or not satisfying, sir? Becomes a satisfying or not satisfying? Tell me, sir. So for the last 4 records, the join condition is satisfying or not satisfying, sir? Not satisfying. Correct? This is what the full join, sir. This is what like as in the full join. Full join means inner join results plus additional records from the left table along with that additional records from the right table, sir. Okay. If you want this, the SQL joins Venn diagrams. If you search for an SQL, so if you go to the Google and search for an SQL joins, okay. If you closely observe here, sir, if you closely observe here, this is what the table, sir. So this is what like as in the Venn diagram. This is nothing but what the Venn diagram of the SQL joins. So see, sir, left join. So if you take here as an what the left join, sir. If you take like as an what the left join. So only the left hand side circle is selected along with the matched records. Along with the matched records, the left hand circle got selected or not? That is nothing but what you are going to get what only the left hand records along with what matched records. If you see here a right join. So along with the matched records, along with what matched records, along with what additionally with the right table records. That is called right join, sir. If you see here, okay. And if you take here like as an inner join, only the matched records portion only we are getting. No more additional records from the left table, no more additional records from the right table you are not going to get, sir. Okay. If you see here like as in the full join, both the matched records along with the left table records along with what right table records. This is what like as in the Venn diagrams for respect to the joins, sir. Hope you guys are clear, everyone. Hope you are clear or not? Hope you are understandable the how these the joins are getting the data. Yes. So these are the very 4 important joins, sir. These are the very 4 important joins. These are the very 4 important joins when you are working with the real time. Okay, mostly you are going to work these 4 joins only, sir, in the real time. Okay, either you can go with what inner join or left join or the right join or the full join. That's all. Other than the join, you cannot use it. Understand? And one more important join, sir, that is called self join, sir. Self join. That is also useful. Total, these 5 joins, you need to be a good hands-on part, sir. Understand? So you need to clearly understand about with what these 5 joins, sir. If you are strong on this the 5 joins, then working with the real time with the multiple tables is easy for you, sir. Understand? If you are working with this the 5 types of joins, sir, working with the real time application development is easy for you when you have like multiple tables. Understand or not, sir? Okay. Yes. So can you please write a query? Can you please write a query for displaying all the employees and its departments and its departments and its managers and its projects, sir? Can you write a query for that? So display all the employees and its the departments, managers and its projects. So we have already the multiple tables, right? Okay, then just wait for a minute, sir. I will tell you, sir. I will tell you at the time you can write it the query. Okay, as of now we are working with what full join. As of now we are working with what the full join on this the 2 tables, sir. Okay, yeah, this is what the query, sir. This is what our query. So let me have it here for your reference. Okay, query, sir. Okay, this is what like as in the full join, and this is what as an output for your references, sir. Okay. copy this one and paste it here. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Give me a minute. One minute, sir. 1 minute. So whatever the columns are empty here, sir, those are nothing but an what? Null. Those are nothing but an what? Null, sir. So for your references, so this is what the data you need. Okay, null and null, null and then null. Okay, here you are going to have what? A null. Here we are going to have what? Null. Okay, null here and then null, sir. Okay, yes. Okay, so up to the 7 records, up to these 7 records, what are the results, sir? Inner join results, sir. Inner join results. That's why inner join results. Okay, join condition is matching. Join condition is matching, sir. Okay, yes. So the rest of the 2 tables, the rest of the 2 records, the rest of the 2 records are getting from where, sir? Come on, sir. Left table records or not? Left table records, sir. Left table records and the join condition is not matching. Okay, so left hand side records. Okay, so nothing but an water tables, sir. These are nothing but an E8 and E9, sir. E9, that's all. Okay, yeah. Sharanya, like these, so see, whatever the tables we are working right now, those tables are the part of the Oracle database. That's why we are writing like as in the queries in Oracle database only, Sharanya. Okay, if you are creating these database tables in MySQL, then you can able to write this the same queries in MySQL workbench. Okay, so you are not able to download the MySQL. Okay, these are the tables I asked you to, these are the tables I asked you to populate in your local machine with the populating the data as well. So in the last weekend, I given you the task, sir. The last weekend, we given you the task before the new year. Okay, yeah. See, sir, these are nothing but an what? Write table records. Yes, write table records. The join condition is not matching, sir. Join condition is not matching. Okay. Hope you are clear, sir, with respect to the full join, how it is working. Hope you are clear. Both the inner join records plus left table records plus right table records. Okay. Yes. So coming to the cross join, sir. Coming to what? Cross join. So see, sir, as I already told you, okay, very, very important note. In the real time, in that real time, mostly we are going to work with what? Mostly we are going to work with the following joins, sir. Okay, one is what? Inner join. Okay, then left join, sir. Okay, then what? Right join. Okay, then right join, and then what? Right join, and then full join. Okay, and self join, sir. Okay, self join, sir. These are the joins which we are going to work in the real time mostly, sir. Okay, so cross join, natural join, or both are an optional, sir. Okay, there is a no chance of there is, so till now in my tenure, so I could not use any cross join in the application level, sir. I could not use any cross join in the application level. Okay, so in the real time mostly we are going to work with what? Inner join, left join, right join, full join, and self join, sir. That's all. Okay, yes. So let us try to understand the functionality of cross join and the natural join as well. Okay, for the knowledge purpose. Okay, for the knowledge purpose, we are going to understand with what, sir? Cross join and natural join, sir. Cross join are also called as an what? Cartesian product, sir. Cartesian product. So when you are while you are working with the cross join, while you are working with the cross join, sir, we no need to specify what join condition, sir. Okay, when you are joining like as in the two tables with the help of and the cross join, sir. Okay, okay, I will tell you, Praveen. I will tell you. Self join will talk about on the tomorrow session. Okay, so cross join are also called as an what? Cartesian product. Okay, Cartesian product. While working with the cross join, or when you are joining like as in the two tables with the help of the cross join word. Okay, so you no need to specify what? You no need to specify the join condition, sir. Here, you no need to specify what? The join condition in a on class or a where class. So means when you are working with the cross join, no need of specifying the join condition. No need of specifying the join condition, sir. That is the one thumb rule you need to remember. Okay. So if you are joining like as in the two tables, if you are joining like as in what are the two tables, okay. If you are joining like as in the two tables, sir. If you are joining like as in the two tables by using what? By using the cross join, okay. Every row in the left table is mapped to every row in the right table, sir. Understand, sir? So every row in the left table is mapped to what? Every row in the right table. So that is called cross join, sir. Cross join. Okay, cross join, sir. If you are joining like as in the two tables by using the join keyword, okay, by using the cross join word, every row in the left table is mapped with what? Is mapped with every row in the right table, sir. That is what the cross join, sir. That is what like as in the cross join. If you see here, so just go to the Google and search for a word called what? And search for a called what? Cross join, sir. Okay, see here. Example, if you see here, sir, if you see here, sir, on the right hand side, on the left hand side, we have the table A which contains three elements. On the right hand side, we have the table B which contains what? Three elements. So every element in the table A is mapped with what? So every element in the table B or not? Every row in the table B or not, guys, everyone? Tell me, sir. Every row in the table 1, every row in the left hand side table will be mapped to right hand side table or not, sir? That is called a cross join, sir. That is called a cross join. So when you are performing the cross join, are we going to get the matched information or non-matched information as well? Relevant information or irrelevant information? So when you are performing the cross join on the two tables, are we going to get like as in the relevant information or irrelevant information, sir? Irrelevant information, sir. Irrelevant information. If you remember correctly, before starting of our joins discussion, I joined the two tables of employee table and the employee and the department table without a join condition. In such a cases, we are going to get irrelevant information, not relevant information, sir. Irrelevant information. Understand? If you remember correctly, sir, before starting off our SQL joins discussion, okay, I shown you in the introductory part itself, I joined like as in the two tables, employee table and the department table. In such a scenario, we got like as in the 56 records. If you remember correctly, employee table contains what? 14 records, and department table contains what? 4 records. Every record is mapped with what? 4 departments or not? Every employee is mapped with what? 4 departments or not? Out of the 4 departments, which department is relevant information? If you guys remember correctly, sir. So this is nothing but an what? Cross join, sir. This is nothing but an what? Cross join. If you remember correctly, select star from employee, employee. Okay, employee E, employee E, and department D. Where condition E dot department number, E dot department number equal to what? D dot department number, right? So how many records you are expecting, sir? Cross join it's doing, right? So 56 records. So 56 records you are going to get. Agree? So see, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. No. No. We are not going to specify the join condition. Okay. Yeah. So see, sir. How many records you are getting here? How many records you are getting here? How many records you are getting here? 56 records or not? So the 56 records, sir. 56 records. So how come it is 56 records? Immediately the question may get into your mind. So see, sir, observe carefully. I will tell you the reason how we are getting like as in the 56 records. Okay. Select a star from employee table. How many records we have? How many records we have? So see, sir, all the rows are fetched as in what? 14 rows. Okay. 14 rows. Select a star from department. So how many departments? 4 departments. Tell me 14 into 4, 56 or not? 14 into 4, 56 or not, sir? Right? So if you closely observe here, sir, so first 8 columns are employee table columns. Agree? First 8 columns are employee column tables or not? Employee table columns or not? And the last 3 columns are nothing but what? Department table columns. Right? So I will tell you, and order by, okay, order by E dot E name. Okay, observe carefully now. Now observe carefully. If you take as an Adams, sir, so tell me, out of this the 4 records, so means Adams record from employee table is mapped with the 4 departments. So out of these 4 records, which department is relevant information and which are not relevant information? Whatever the department number is matching, so 20 equal to 20 is nothing but it's a relevant information, and the rest of the 3 records are what? Irrelevant information. Agree or not, sir? So that is called cross join, sir. Every row in the left table is mapped with what? Every row in the right table, sir. Every row in the right table. That is called cross join, sir. In which situations we need to use this cross join, sir? That is what the question may get into your mind, right? In which situations we need to use what? The cross join, sir. Okay. So that is what the thing we need to keep in mind and observe carefully. So let us apply the cross join for what? Ashok IT underscore employee. Okay. Cross join. So cross join Ashok IT underscore what department? So if you apply like as in the cross join between these 2 tables as well, so you are going to get what? 56 records only, sir. Observe carefully. So see, sir, how many records it was fetched, sir? Sir, by default, SQL developer will fetch what? 50 records, sir. Okay. If you scroll down here, you will get 56 records. Understand? How many records we got? We just applied for what, sir? We just applied the cross join. We just applied like as in the cross join for the 2 tables or not, sir? Come on, sir. We just applied like as in the cross join between what? Employee table and the department table. Okay. And I'm going to apply for what? Cross join for Ashok IT underscore employees and Ashok IT underscore departments. How many records you are going to get, sir? Could you please tell me how many records are there in Ashok IT underscore employee? 9 records. And how many records are there in the departments? 7 records. 9 into 7, how many records, sir? 9 into 7, how many records? 63 records you are going to get, sir. Check it out. Check it out, sir. Check it out, sir. So you got like as in the 63 rows of information or not, sir? You got like as in the 63 rows of information or not? So this is nothing but an what? The cross join, sir. Okay, this is nothing but an what? The cross join. Understand, everyone? So when you're working with the cross join, tell me, are we required to specify the join condition, sir? Are we required to specify the join condition? No, that is a thumb rule, sir. You need to keep in mind. Okay, when you guys are working with what cross join, you no need to specify what the join condition, sir. Okay, you no need to specify what the join condition either in what on class or where class, sir. So every row in the left table will be mapped with what every row in the right table. That is called cross join, or also we can call it as an what Cartesian product. Okay, sir, you do not have any option to specify what cross outer join, sir. Okay, join keyword is a join keyword representing what inner join, and if you wanted to work with the cross join, so you can go with what cross join word only, sir. You do not have any outer word for this cross join. Understand? That is what one thing you need to keep in mind. Hope you are clear. Hope you are clear, sir, everyone. Yes, I will tell you, sir. I will tell you the scenario where exactly we need to use what cross join. Okay, to demonstrate that scenario, sir, I would like to create one more table, sir. Ashok IT underscore company, sir. Okay, or you can go with what? So, okay, yeah, Ashok IT underscore company's information, sir. Okay, company's information, and then what? Company ID. Okay, then what? Company ID, sir. Company ID, that is a number column. Not number column, sir. We'll go with what? Varchar 2 column of 2 characters. Sorry, we'll go with what? 10 characters. Okay, then it is a primary key, sir. Then it is a primary key. 1 minute. Okay, primary key, sir. Then followed by what? Okay, company name, sir. Company name. Then varchar 2 of 30 characters. Okay, which is nothing but an what? Not null constraint. And then location, sir. Okay, then location, nothing but an what? Varchar 2 of 30 characters. Okay, which is nothing but an what? Not null condition, sir. I'm just created the table with I am just created the table, sir. What is this one, sir? Create a table. The name is already existed, huh? Okay, so we'll go with what? Company, sir. Company location. Okay. Okay, so this is what saying, sir. It is already there in the database. So let me drop it. Drop table name. What it is saying, sir, basically. 1 minute. Select a star from Ashok underscore. Okay. Okay, got it. So we'll go with what? Another table. So that is nothing but an what? Company's information, sir. You can go with what? The company's info. Okay, that's all, sir. The table got created, sir. That's all. The table got created. Okay, new table created, sir. Here it is what? The new table got created. And then I am inserting the data into the table, sir. Simple. I'm just inserting one row of information into this table. One row into the table, sir. One row into the table. So how can you do that one, sir? Insert into companies, insert into what? Companies underscore info. Okay, companies underscore info. That is a company code. That is C1. And the company name is what? Ashok IT. And the company location is what? Nothing but an Hyderabad. Hyderabad, sir. That's all. Okay. Yeah. So values missing. Yeah. One row got inserted and commit, sir. And commit the data and select the data, sir. Select the data. Select a star from so company's information, sir. Company's information. Okay. Company's information. This is what the table of information which we have, sir. Hope you are clear, everyone. Hope you are clear, everyone. Hope you are clear, sir, everyone. So whatever the table which I have created here. So now it's the time for another requirement to develop a small query, sir. Okay. Okay. Now you guys need to develop what? A small query here. Okay. Okay. So write a query to fetch employees, to fetch like as in what? Employee name and their corresponding department name and their corresponding department name, sir, and their corresponding what? The department name. Okay. Also make sure to display what? Company name. Make sure what? To display the company name and the company location for every employee, sir. That is what our requirements are. Hope you understand my question, sir. Write a query to fetch what? Employee name and the department and their corresponding department name and their corresponding department name, sir. Okay. And their corresponding department name. And also make sure to display what? Company name, company location, and the company location for every employee, sir. Can you give a try for this writing the query, sir? I will give you the 2 minutes of time. Can you give a try to write this query? Can you guys give a try to write this query or not? Come on, guys. Tell me whether you are able to write this query or not. So right now the time is 10:02, sir. Okay. So I'm giving you the time up to 10:04. Okay. 10:05. Up to I can give you what? 10:05, sir. Try to write the query and send it over the chat. Tomorrow we are going to complete the joins discussion, sir. Tomorrow we will complete with what? Joins discussion, and I will give you some tasks on the joins, sir. Okay. I will tell you the location where you need to practice the more on the joins as well. Okay. That is what one thing I would like to tell you on the tomorrow session. And tomorrow I'm going to start with what? Sequences, sir. Sequences. So far we have worked with what? Working with the tables creation, altering the table creation, creating the users, all this stuff we had done, right? So next type of database object which we are going to work on tomorrow, sir, that is called sequence. How to generate a primary key column automatically. So far we are providing the primary key columns explicitly, right? So far we are providing what? The primary key column values explicitly, right or not? I don't want to supply the primary key column explicitly. It should be generated automatically. That we can do with the help of what? Sequence in the database side. Okay, that is what we are going to talk on the tomorrow, sir. How to create a sequence, how to alter the sequence, how to drop the sequence, how to insert the value, how to select the value from the sequence. All these things which we are going to talk on the tomorrow session, sir. Okay, after completing the sequence. Yeah, that's what. So Yogesh, if you remember correctly on the last session, So at the last session, we had a written one query, which is combination of four tables, which is a combination of four tables. Okay. So display like as an employee name, department name, manager name, project name. So these are the four columns which we need to select from what? Four tables. So which we have joined on the last session. Have you attended the last session, sir? Yogesh? If you are missed that last session, please go through the video, sir. Okay, if you are not attended on the last session, please go through the video so that you will get to know how we have joined like as in the four tables. Anyone tried with the query, sir? Anyone tried with the query? No response from everyone. No response from everyone, sir. Write a query to fetch what? Employee name and their corresponding department name at least. Can you guys please send me at least how can you select an employee name and the department name from Ashokite underscore employee table and Ashokite underscore department table? I'm expecting an answer from you guys. Okay, Pardu. That's fine. But in your query, the department table is not there, Pardu. Please verify it once. Please correct your SQL statement. One response we got, sir, out of 33 people. Out of 32 people. So we got only the one response. What about remaining guys? So the select the employee name from Ashokite underscore employee and select department name from companies underscore info. Name. Jayshree, you missed something. Please verify this SQL query once. Sharanya, you also did some mistake on the query. So Jayshree, you missed that the join condition on the table, employee table and the department table. Join got missed. Okay, yeah. So okay then. See here, sir. See here. First, try to understand the requirement, sir. First, try to understand the requirement. I asked you to write a query to fetch what? Employee name and the corresponding the department names, sir. Okay, employee name and the corresponding department names. Okay, so to satisfy this requirement, which tables are involved, sir? Which tables are involved to satisfy this requirement? How many tables are involved, sir? Employee name from employee table, department name from the department table. So first I need to perform what? Join condition or not? First I need to perform what? The join condition or not, sir? Tell me, sir. Select select AE dot employee name and AD dot department name, sir. AE dot department name from class Ashokite underscore employee AE join with what? Inner join with what? Ashokite underscore department AD on condition AE dot department ID and AD dot department ID. This is what the thing, right? So order by AE dot employee name. That's all. So this is what the first line of statement, the requirement, sir. So we need the employee name and the department name from the both of the tables, which we had joined with the inner join and the join condition here, sir. Okay. So just check it out, sir. Whether you are able to get like what 7 records or not. 7 means inner join. So if I want all the employees means what I need to do? I need to perform what? Left join. I don't want miss any employee, sir, from the employee table. So in such a case, what? Such a case, what? Left join I need to perform or not? Okay then. Okay then. Yes. So, and then what is the second line of statement of our requirement, sir? For every employee, so we need to display what? Company name and the company location or not? Come on, sir. So do we have any common column between what? This join results, okay. Do we have any result? Do we have any common column between this result of query and the company table? Do we have any common column between these results of this query and then company table, sir? No. So for that, what I need to do, sir? For that, what I need to do? For that, I need to do what? Cross join, sir. I need to perform what? Cross join. Okay. So cross join of Ashok IT underscore, sorry, not Ashok IT, sir. So companies underscore info. Companies underscore info, that is called CI. That's all. So what columns I need to select from the companies table? That is CI underscore CI dot company. Okay, CI dot what? Company name and CI dot company location or not? Come on, sir. Am I correct or not, sir? So for understanding of the second line of our requirement, sir, so there is a no common column between the result of our query and then company table. So simply I just added with what? Cross join for the company's information, so that I can able to get what? Company name and the company location for every employee or not. Come on, guys. Hope you are comfortable or not. See, sir, am I able to get like as in the every employee and it's the department and the company name and the company location or not? Come on, guys, everyone. If you don't want like null departments means, then what you need to do, sir? Inner join, sir. Simple inner join. Every employee and it's a department and it's a company name and the location or not? So tell me, if I'm going to perform what? Left join. So we are going to get like as in the null values. Can I replace with null value with no company column, no department? I would like to replace. I would like to replace with what? In place of null to what? No department. Can I do that one? Tell me, sir. Can I do that one or not? So right now I'm getting all the employees. Right now I'm getting all the employees from the list. Some of the employees are not having any department. So what I'm trying to say here is, whoever like as an employee doesn't have the departments, I would like to add a string called what? No department. Can I add it or not? Try to think of a minute and tell me, sir. We can add it, sir. No problem at all. So as we have discussed like SQL functions, if you remember correctly. So what is that one, sir? Coalesce. Coalesce, right? Right, sir. 1 minute, sir. Coalesce spelling. Coalesce, sir. If you guys remember correctly, sir, when you are talking about with functions in Oracle, okay, say SQL functions, there is the function called what? Coalesce. So coalesce means what is the purpose, sir? If the department name is null means, I will be the adding with what? No department. Understand? Just check it out. So am I getting or not? So am I getting or not, sir? Can we replace with null value with our required string or not, sir? Come on, guys. So where I need to do what? Department name, sir. Okay. Yes. Come on, guys. Elias name I added, sir. I just added with what? Elias name. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. So am I replaced with null value with our some string or not, sir? Come on, guys. Yes. This is what like as in the situation. So this is what like as in the situation where you need to what the join cross join, sir. Where you need to what the cross join. So whatever the results you got from the left join or the inner join, for that result, you do not have any common column between that result and what company table. So that's why we just added with the another table with what cross join. So from that the cross join, sir, every result of the row is mapped with what company name and the company location or not. Come on, guys. Hope you are clear. Hope you are clear, sir. Where exactly we need to use what? Cross join. Come on, guys, everyone. Try to respond it. SQL, sir. This is what like as an SQL, and this is what like as in the. Okay. Okay. This is what our queries are basically. Okay. And so this is nothing but on what SQL, sir. Hope you are clear, sir. Any doubts? Any doubts up to now? So are you clear with full join? Are you clear with what full join and the cross join as well? Everyone? Yeah. So observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. So we have another join, sir. So we have what? Another join. Okay, just a minute. Let me format it. So we have another join. What is another join we left, sir? Natural join, sir. Natural join. Understand? The natural join, sir. That is. Okay. So natural join, when you are working, when you are joining like as in the two tables with the help of the natural join word. So you no need to specify the join condition, sir. You no need to specify the join condition. SQL will take care of what? Adding the join condition, sir. SQL will take care of what? Adding the join condition. You no need to worry. So so far when you are working with inner join or the left join or the right join or what? Or what? Full join, you need to specify what the join condition or not? Tell me, sir. So the last, the sixth join, sir, that is what a natural join, sir. Okay, natural join. Okay, so if you are joining like as in the two tables, if you are joining like as in the two tables, sir, two tables using the word called what? Natural join. Using the word called what? Natural join, sir. Okay, using the word natural join at this time, no need to specify the join condition. No need to specify what? The join condition, sir. Explicitly by the programmer. Explicitly by the programmer, sir. So, because Oracle engine will add the join condition, automatically will add the join condition based on the common columns, based on what? Column names between the common column names between the database tables, sir. Understand my point, guys, everyone? So when you are joining like as in the two tables with the natural join, sir, as a programmer, you no need to specify what are the join condition. You no need to worry about specifying the join condition, sir. As Oracle engine explicitly will add the join condition based on what? Common column names between the tables. Understand? So when it works like as an similar to inner join, sir. Natural join also works like as an what? Similar to inner join. But in the inner join, as a programmer need to specify what the join condition, but whereas in the natural join, the programmer no need to specify what the join condition. Observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully the query here. Okay, so this is nothing but an what a natural join, sir. So before going into the natural join, sir, what I will show you is I will get the inner join query first. I will get what inner join query first. Okay, inner join query first. So only matched rows of information, 7 rows of information we are getting, right? So here, what you need to do, sir? You no need to specify, you need to specify what? In place of natural join, sir. In place of what? Natural join. And you no need of what? Join condition. You no need to specify what? The join condition. Am I specified the join condition, sir? Am I specified the join condition here? 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Okay. See, sir. How many records we are getting, sir? How many records you are getting? How many records you are getting, sir? Ashok IT underscore employee table and the natural join of department table and order by what? Employee table dot employee ID. So am I written any join conditions are here on the natural join? Could you please confirm it, sir, everyone? Could you please confirm it here? So who will add the join condition, sir? So if the two tables having the common columns means Oracle engine by default, it will be the considering the adding the join condition on those common columns, sir. If you do not have the common column between the two tables means it will perform what? Cartesian product. Understand, sir? Understand my point? So the point you need to keep in mind is when you are working with the natural join, if you do not have any common column, if you do not have any common column, sir, any common column between the tables, between the database tables, Oracle engine will perform. So will perform what? Cartesian product, sir. Nothing but an what? Nothing but an what, sir? Cartesian product means nothing but an what? Cross join, sir. Cross join. That's all. So if you have like as in the common column between the tables means then automatically Oracle will add the join condition on that common columns. So tell me, so is that giving the results as in what? Inner join results or not, sir? Is that giving like as in the inner join results or not? Come on, sir. AE dot employee ID. AE dot employee name and AE dot AD dot department name, sir. That's all. Are we getting the things or not, sir? Sharanya, now it's clear for you. Are we getting like as in the inner join results or not? What is the difference between inner join and natural join? In the inner join, as a programmer, he has to specify what the join conditions are on the on class. Okay, when you are working with the natural join, Oracle engine will take care of what? Adding the join condition on the common columns of the tables. If you do not have the common columns means, then definitely it will perform what? A Cartesian product, sir. Definitely it will perform what? Cartesian product. Understand? This is what this is what like as in the natural join, sir. Understand? Hope you are clear, everyone. So as I already told you, sir, so in the real time, so we are going to use what? Mostly inner join, left join, right join, full join and self join, sir. Understand? So we could not use any kind of the cross join or the natural joins, sir. Okay. So we could not give the control to the Oracle, sir. We could not give the control to the Oracle to perform what? To add the join condition on the common columns. So definitely we not expect the results. You could not get like as an expected results, sir. Understand? Hope you are clear. Always it should be having the control of what? Programmer control. Clear, sir, everyone? Everyone is that clear, sir, for today's discussion? whatever we had completed. So far, how many joins you have learned? So far, how many joins you have learned, sir? 6 joins, sir. Inner join, left join, right join, okay, full join, natural join, and cross join, sir. Understand? These are the joins which we have learned so far for today. Okay. Tomorrow we will complete with what? Self join, sir. And after that we'll getting into what? After that we'll getting into what? Sequences, sir. Database sequences. Understand? That is what our plan, sir. Okay. Yes. That's all for the today session, sir. If you have any questions, please go ahead with your questions. If you have any questions, please go ahead with your questions, sir. Just raise a hand. I will give you an unmute option for you, sir.